A change of headline can make a difference of 10 to 1 in sales. David Ogilvy. When we run Google search ads, we usually add 15 headlines, but not all 15 headlines bring conversion. Some of them just waste money. Inshallah, in this video, I will show you how to identify those money wasting headlines and optimize them so you can increase conversion and stop wasting your budget. Navigate to Google Ads account, then select a specific campaign where you want to optimize your headline. Then move on campaigns, go to assets, click on assets, move on performance, then select headline. In the asset section, you can see all the headlines that you have added to your campaign. On the right side, you will able to see the performance of all headlines like conversion, clicks, cost, average CPC, CTR, average cost, etc. If you want to see more details like impression, average cost and more, go to columns, then modify columns, then click on performance drop down menu and select what you want. Also, you can select more from the conversion. Then click on apply. If all headlines are not visible, just scroll a bit, increase the number. Now let's take a look at the performance of our headline. This headline get 43 conversion and average CPC 2.30. That means these headlines profitable for us. But if we scroll a bit, we can see that this headline get 7 clicks and cost 16.56 but did not generate any conversion. That means this headline needs to be optimized. This way I will check each headline to find non-converting headline and then optimize them. Now let's see how to optimize them. I maintain a Excel sheet with 2 columns before and after. I will rewrite all the non-converting headlines in the sheet. Then back to ads, click on the pencil icon. Then I will copy and paste the rewritten headlines. Then click on save. That's it. Take care and see you in the next video.